Hello, trading is closed on July 28th, 2016. The target from yesterday's trade was 2162.72. That printed, and there was support under the MEJT target. There's a new target based on the MEJT system, most likely to print tomorrow, of 2165.33. During the day, early in the day, MEJT gave a sell. Here's the target. Target was hit. System said it was a false move that prices would retrace. It nailed the low, and that worked, and we retraced to this line as predicted. System now says the rally is a false move and gives us the lower target. Well, here's what I think is going on. Here was your stilt. Here's your stilt. Here's an obvious diamond. Take the height of the diamond, your familiar Fibonacci number, 23.6%. There is the target. This is the origin of the left stilt. Typically, the first challenge tends to hold, but the next challenge tends to fail in a large way. I've taken off the question marks from the C and the D. I think it's obvious we're in the fourth wave of wave brown C, and one more rally should complete the pattern. I think it's impossible to be confident of the count in a consolidation like this, but if that's A and that's B and that's C, we could have A, B, and I've moved this over again to D. If that's D, we could have 1, 2, and 3, with just 4 and 5 left to go to complete the rally. We've had a target of 2177 to 2179. I thought ideally that would come today. That would come today. We traded as high as 2172.85, so missed it by about 4+ points. Anything over this high, the all-time high tomorrow, would be bar 13, giving a sell on the weekly chart. The next most likely time frame comes on Saturday. George Lindsay has a low to low to high system. Here's his 170 days from that low to that low. Today was 168. Friday's 169. Saturday is 170. And that means either Friday or Monday would fit the bill for a top. So we think we're within a few days of a top. I'm keeping my price target of 2177 to 2179. Call for tomorrow is 2165.33. And once we start dropping and go through these lows, we should have a lot more to go on the downside. And that's today's call.